Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the anti-benchmark test in the Realme GT device after recent Realme UI beta second update in the Realme GT device. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the second update on the Realme UI 3.0 second beta version. So the security patch has been updated to the November security patch. Before it used to be September security patch. I think the Realme UI 3.0, it's taken some time to get the stable version. So maybe after 1 month or 2 months, we might be able to get the stable version. So till then it's running only the beta version at this moment, as you can see, beta version, which I did update yesterday only. So I think 2 days back, as you can clearly see friends. So let's see what will be the anti-benchmark test after this latest version in this Realme GT device. So first let me need to change this live wallpaper to normal wallpaper. So let's put this normal wallpaper only. So just for doing this kind of anti-benchmark test. So normal wallpaper has been enabled. And let me need to restart the device. So every time I do the anti-benchmark test, I need to restart the device as well. So let's restart the device. So once after the restart, I'll ready to start the anti-benchmark test. And finally the phone has been restarted successfully, and now let me need to go to the all apps are completely clear from the recent, and let me try to show you the before score. Before the update what is the score, and after the update what is the score. In this way we'll be able to compare. So this is the score which I got before the update. I am taking the screenshot as well. So let's start the test again. Let's see what will be the anti-benchmark test after this update. So it's going to be really interesting to see what will be the update. I think right now the temperature is about close to 37 degrees. Let me try to start the test when the temperature is pretty low, maybe close to 32 degrees, somewhere around that. It's not that good to start at higher temperatures anyway. I need to keep the phone in ideal state only side, and again I'll be back after some time. I think right now it's very low temperatures friends in the Realme GT. I think it's around 31-32 degrees only. It should be kind of normal, so it should not affect any kind of result. So right, using a 32 degrees of the temperatures, let's start the anti-benchmark test. Let's see how much higher the temperatures can actually increase in the Realme GT, and how much difference it can be there from first beta version update to the second beta version update regarding the benchmark wise in this Realme GT device. So again I'll be back after some time just to check with the scores what's happening in this phone. So right now, as you can see friends, the anti-benchmark test is about 78%, 42.6 degrees it increased. Wow, that's very high, 42.6. This is the second beta version which I'm trying to do, 42.6, not bad. And the back side 39.8 degrees. So 42.6 is the highest friends so far reached in the Realme GT device regarding the benchmark wise. So let's see how long the phone gonna take to completely done, and what score we'll be expecting in the second beta version in the Realme GT Neo 2 Realme GT device, not Neo 2, sorry. So I will be back after some time when the test completely finishes in this device. So right now, as you can see friends, we got the benchmark scores about 8,20,000. That's fantastic friends. As you can see, it's back to normal. Before the beta version also, I used to get this kind of 8,20,000 and like 8,21,000 around that kind of score. But after the beta version, first beta version, the score got decreased. But this is the second beta version, the score got slightly improved. But the temperatures remained to be really very high. 43.5 degrees, the highest temperatures. That's pretty high friends regarding the temperatures in this device. That's kind of one thing with the Snapdragon 888 processor, nothing to do with the Realme, but the Snapdragon 888 processor itself. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick anti-benchmark test of the second Realme UI beta version update. And meanwhile, signing off friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Bye.